In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have an animated Discord wallpaper. We'll walk through turning a fun GIF into your moving profile picture on Discord so it plays smoothly and looks great. First, we need a GIF. Head over to Giphy, a huge library of animated clips. Use the search bar to find something that fits your vibe. Looping animations work best because they feel seamless as an avatar. When you find one you like, open it and download the GIF file to your device. Keep it short, clear, and not too busy. A small file size helps it upload faster and play better, and keeping it square or close to square will save you time during cropping later. Now switch to Discord, open the app or website, then click your profile area to get to your account settings. From there, choose Edit Profile. This is where you control how your profile looks across servers. Click on your profile avatar to open the editor, then choose Change Avatar. You'll see options to upload a new image, and this is where your downloaded GIF comes in. Select the GIF you saved. Discord will load a preview and open a crop tool. Frame the most important part of the animation so it stays readable at small sizes. Subtle motion tends to look cleaner as an avatar, especially in darker themes. Here's an important note. Animated avatars are a Discord Nitro perk. If you're a Nitro subscriber, you'll see that the animated option is available and your GIF will play. If you're not on Nitro, you can still upload the GIF, but it will appear as a static image. You'll notice messaging in the editor about features exclusive to Nitro. This is normal and just indicates whether the animation will stay animated on your profile. Once you're happy with the crop and preview, click Apply. Discord will process the change and show you how it looks. If the motion feels too fast or distracting, try a different GIF with a slower loop. If it appears blurry, pick a higher quality GIF or one with less compression. And always choose content that's appropriate for the communities you're in. That's it. Find a GIF on Giphy, upload it through Edit Profile, change avatar and apply. With Nitro, you'll have a crisp animated avatar. Without it, you'll still have a polished profile image. Enjoy your new look and have fun customizing your Discord presence.